So, man, why are you so special? What's up with all the cameras and stuff?
I'm going to compete for Miss America in 3 weeks, and so we're doing joint public affairs with the Air Force and Miss America.
Did you win at a state level?
Yes, I'm Miss Colorado right now.
Miss Colorado,
yeah.
Terrific.
So, trying to make it a positive thing for the Air Force, for everyone.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
You're being very modest.
So these clips right here.
Yeah, we just have to.
Let me take the helmet off real fast.
Remove
Use it twice. You have to pull once to probably break the stitching, and then pull again all the way down to break the cord. There you go. So all the way down. So now you can steer.
Okay.
Right? You know, like you turn left, or pull left. You turn left, and then you're looking for a good place to land.
Okay.
That's good.
Alright, so first thing, let's get you into a flight suit. We can't fly on our OCPs, it just doesn't work with the gear that we have.
Okay.
The width of your head,
Okay.
He's going to place these on your temples. Just let him know whenever it touches your temple, and then we'll stop with the measurement and then take the measurement from there.
Touching. Oh, my ears are folded down.
Are they? Yeah, so you can
Just
pull
push
it
them up?
apart.
Okay.
Yep.
Hold on. Just down?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Don't want to break anything.
Well, whatever you break, we could fix.
Yep, so just, you're in the right spot, just angle it more towards you. Perfect. Yep. Are you able to breathe just fine? No, there's no, are the bayonets digging into your cheeks at all? Nothing feels uncomfortable yet?
Is this chin strap supposed to be up?
Yeah, if you want to, on the right side, take off your mask on the right side real quick. And then let me see.
It was like this was, oh wait.
Okay.
Is it supposed to be here, or is it supposed to be like this?
The first way you had it.
Okay, I just wanted to double check.
Yep. Are you okay? I promise you, you're, yeah. So
Oh wait, I think I can't breathe.
So it's really weird feeling. You can't. It is supplying you oxygen. I promise you. It's just forcing it into your lungs. So.
That's what he said. He said if you force it, that's a Viper.
You know, there's like Viper and Falcon. They call them different. That's gonna be on our.
I don't think so. Hopefully I'm. Oh, okay, that feels tight now that I'm standing up. Cool. Okay. Oh wait. Oh, is it supposed to be underneath this thing?
Yes, but it's fine to be the other way up. Nice. Is it?
Oh.
Okay. I'll have you undo the legs.
Okay.
So this piece here is gonna pop out. There you go. Yep.
Oh, nice.
Alright, you wanna... Sorry, he's gonna reach for it real quick and he's gonna untangle it for you because it's something that you have to be able to see to understand where it's tangled at. He's like, yeah, good now. Perfect. Alright, let's do that again.
So this is going to connect right there, same kind of mechanic.